anybody was wondering, this is not what Chicago should look like in the middle of April. There was more snow earlier, but now it's kind of turning to rain. My poor car. Yeah, it's all slushy. Yeah, earlier today, when I came out here this morning earlier, like, there's a lot more snow, but it seems to be melting, but it's really slippery. Slippery like I'm gonna fall on my ass. I can feel it. I haven't seen these snow plows out yet. It's slush on my feet. So, welcome to spring in Chicago. I figured while I was at it, why not get my backyard? Because I was planning to open my pool this week, but I don't think that's going to happen since there's snow everywhere back here. Snow. And of course doggy footprints. Because I have a cute dog now. Alright, that's it. That's cold. I'm going back inside. Okay, I'm forcing my poor puppy to go outside so you can see her, but she doesn't want to go outside. She's like, what are you doing to me? Say hi, puppy.